Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Samsung S20 Plus. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy the Samsung S20 Plus and you might be decide to change wallpaper in your device. In order to do that, there is a two way to change a skin wallpaper. First one, you have to go in your device settings section and then you're going to see here something say wallpaper. If you choose that, here you can see you can choose here for example, if I'm going to click here my wallpaper, I'm going to see here by default Samsung pre-loaded wallpaper. You can choose any of wallpaper. When you click that, and that's going to be a pop-up appear which is say what you want. You want to set this wallpaper for home skin or not. I'm going to choose a home skin and then it's going to give you the preview option. I'm going to choose a set on home skin, and from now if I go back, I'm going to see just now I had changed my home skin wallpaper. Also, there is another way to change your home skin wallpaper. You can easily long press in your home anywhere and then you're going to see wallpaper. You can easily click that wallpaper and then it's going to be take you the same places. One thing more, you might be decide to set your favorite picture in your phone. You can easily choose your gallery and that's going to give you your gallery. For example, I want to change this, I want to set this picture in my home skin. Also, you can add up to 15 pictures. For example, I'm going to choose this and I'm going to click here done, and now it's going to give you a option set as wallpaper in home skin or lock skin. I'm going to choose here this one in home skin and this is going to give you the preview skin how this picture is going to be looks like. If I decide to set, I can easily click here set on home skin and this picture is going to be set in my home skin. If I go back, I'm going to say just now I had set home skin picture. So this is how you can easily set or change wallpaper in your Samsung S20 Plus. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.